Hey, what is up guys, it's Hector here, back with another video, and today guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can play Apex Legends on either your iOS or Android device. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So to do this, first go ahead and go on your PC and head to the link in the description, which is going to be an ad link. So make sure to click skip ad after 5 seconds and avoid all the advertisements on the screen. This should then take you to the download page of Remotar, and after getting there, go ahead and click on download for Windows, and then go on either your iOS or Android device, and head to the same link, except this time tap on download for either iOS or Android. Next, make sure that Remotar is opened up on both your PC and your phone, and on your phone select the PC that has been discovered. After that, tap on apps, select desktop, which will then stream your PC's desktop to your phone. After you launch Apex Legends, play around with the controls on Remotar that best fits you, and it should bring you a great gaming experience on your phone. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this, make sure to leave a like. I do try to post a new video every single week, so make sure you subscribe to stay tuned for more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.